Today's video is another video in a series of videos that explains how a personal injury case works. And today's topic is about discovery. What is discovery? Hi, I'm Steve Brooks. I'm a personal injury wrongful death lawyer practicing law here in the state of Florida. When we talk about discovery, you may ask, what in the world is that? Discovery is simply the stage of a lawsuit when we get to find out what the other side is going to put on in their trial, and they get to find out what our opinions and views of the case are. The first interrogatory, the first stage of discovery is we send out written questions. They're called interrogatories. But the simple answer is they're just written questions. And the other side has a set period of days when they have to respond to these written questions. The other aspect of discovery is a document called a request to produce. A request to produce is simply a request to the other side to produce a document or an item that we want to see that they have in their possession. It may or may not be relevant, but in discovery we get to see it and we get to decide or argue to the judge whether it's relevant. And one of the most important stages of the discovery process is the deposition. The deposition is when you go into a lawyer's office or a court reporter's office. You sit around a table, much like sitting around your kitchen table. There's going to be a court reporter there typing notes, the other attorney, I'm going to be there, you're there. There's only 4 or 5 people in the room. There's no judge. It's not a real formal process. And the other attorney gets to ask you questions. If you see me object, I will tell you whether to answer the question or not answer the question. Your attorney will be there to protect you. So why am I telling you this? Because if you've been involved in an accident, you need to know how the process works. And we handle these kind of cases every day. We're personal injury accident attorneys. We can answer those questions. If you have a question, I urge you to pick up the phone and call me at 1-888-936-3264. That's 1-888-WE-MEAN-IT. I'm Steve Brooks. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.